do we think?
What do we think?
Spring is here, and I think it's time that we need a little spring transformation. Wanna go thrifting?
Yeah!
That's my girl. We got our snacks ready for our long day of thrifting. Yeah! It's a little rainy today, but we're doing it. Let's get some clothes. Oh, thank you. Oh, the boutique. Since when was this considered a boutique? That's like the McDonald's cafe. You know? There's McCafe in it.
Ooh.
You would steal this if I got it. Ooh. Blouse from the boutique. If you can't find me, check the kids' t-shirt aisle. The sun is out and stop one is done. Can't wait to wear each other's clothes that we got. Another Goodwill. Let's see what we can get. Do you think this one will be better or worse? Do you think this one will be better or worse? Whoa. It's definitely cleaner. Oh, success. Oh, I can't even read that. This one was not better. We're good with clothes today. We're good.
We're good before we even started.
Probably were. Let's go look at some like self-care stuff.
This is what we need. Toe to toe with this one.
Collagen. Ew. Oh, it's vegan. Oh. I am whiplash right now.
Ooh. Nice.
No, no, no. No. Started shopping too late and now I'm starving. Let's go home. Dinner break, not for you. So, it's the next day. What's a 24-hour transformation without it being 24 hours? You know what I mean? Next up, boop, a little bit of that. Oh, that was rough. Oh my. That's it. I feel like I have to do my whole entire face.
Oh my god. All the animals are tweaked right now.
Are you coming to watch the show?
Yes.
Everything's like red right now. Have you ever waxed?
No. Never.
Well, can't use that now.
3, 2, 1.
Ow. So slippery. I think we need to do a little like color refresh until we let it like become blonde. Maybe we can do some honey coral now. Does my hair look more orange to you?
Maybe like a salmon-y? A vegan salmon-y?
Just gonna do a little split end mender. Protectant spray. A little toner. Vitamin C oil. Some lotion. Oh, they're like little pouches. Oh my god. Oh, this is great. Should probably do nails first. I usually do those like little nail sticker things, but we're mixing it up. Perfect. Woo. Yeah. Ooh, good call. Good call.
Oh my god. Hey yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today, I don't want to go too crazy with the makeup, but I know we could. So I'm gonna do like a relatively normal routine with it, but like obviously pay a little extra attention to details. Yeah. Blush, bronzer, eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, liquid liner, eye pencil, eyelash curler, mascara, lip gloss, highlighter, false lashes. Bam! Little Olaplex. Olaplex number 6, just on the blonde side. We are looking good, feeling good. Let's go pick one of our new outfits. Here is everything we got yesterday. A lot of these I definitely will be just wearing regularly because of what I wear at work. As for like a total transformation, these could be styled with something today. This shirt could be styled with something today. And I had a really good idea for this skirt for going out. See which feels better right here. Here's outfit option number 1. My old, like, they're just like dress pants, including my girlfriend's hat.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Someone convinced me to get it.
No.
Let's do a little like spring fit real quick and see how we like these pants. Suddenly, there is construction going on literally right outside my apartment. So, terrible timing, but here we have it. Here are the new pants. Woo! A little bit of spring, a little bit of summer going on here. They fit really well, actually. It really is unfortunate timing. Okay, girlfriend, what do you think?
Oh my god, does she ever miss? No! I look so
You see how tall I am?
No! It's like prom.
Yeah. Oh! Which outfit do you think is better?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Well, it depends on the vibe.
It depends on the vibe.
Did I pick those out or did you?
You picked these pants out for you. Hey, they're done outside for now. This last one might be a good one. Oh, let's try it on. And the final fit using the new skirt. Suddenly, I need to go out. I need to go out dancing. I need to go to a restaurant. I am loving this fit. I think it is super cute. Unfortunately, the top doesn't necessarily match the bottom. Girlfriend, come here. She can already see me.
Oh my god! Hold on. Hope y'all enjoyed.
Okay, so what do we think?
What do we think?
I feel like we had a solid transformation. Y'all, thank you so much for watching my transformation video today. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and also let me know what you think of my new clothes. Is there something you would have done in your 24-hour transformation that I didn't do? Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.